How to set the phone app to open to keypad or open in last view on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then open up the phone application, and from here tap on the menu button. From the pop-up menu, tap on Open to Last Viewed, or you can choose Open to Keypad. So here, if I go to say Recents, and if I open up the phone application, it will open up to Keypad. If I select Open to Last Viewed, then when I go and open up my phone application, it will open up to my last view, the last selected tab or page that I've opened. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.